His Excellency President Adama Barrow presided over the launching of the YouthCan project and the 5-year National Strategy Plan 2023 to 2027 of SOS Children Villages in the Gambia on Monday at the Sadaura Kairaba Jawara International Conference Center in Bijilo. The YouthCan project is a global initiative that supports young people who have lost parental care or are at risk of losing it on their journey to decent work and independent life. It aims to empower these young people by supporting them to strengthen their employability skills and thereby increase their chances of finding self-employment. This is done by providing individualized training, job shadowing opportunities, internships, and mentoring. The SOS Children Villages in the Gambia National Strategy will start in 2023 and end in 2027. It will pursue big shifts in the areas of alternative solutions such as foster care and kinship care. Speaking at the launching ceremony, His Excellency President Adama Barrow says that the YouthCan project will support more than 500 young people in the country.
It is targeted that the YouthCan project will support more than 500 young persons with relevant employability skills in the next 5 years across the country. We call on all the private and public sectors, CSOs, philanthropic organizations, and UN agencies to support this important project geared towards empowering the bulk of our population. The Gambia government assures you of its support for the SOS Children's Villages and approval of this laudable project to ensure that young people realize their dreams and aspirations.
The President further calls on the private sector to support the SOS Children Village.
I re-echo my call on the private and business sectors to join the SOS Children's Villages journey through their set programs and activities. Please share your time, skills, expertise, and career stories that would enhance collaborative learning and break down the negative social and physical barriers that hinder progress. On behalf of the government of the Gambia, I extend profound gratitude to the SOS Children Villages for their services. We appreciate and endorse their special focus on children, young people, vulnerable communities, and families. Thank you very much for all the support.
The national coordinator of the SOS Children Villages, Jan Pereira, gave a presentation on the YouthCan project.
The project will always start with needs assessment to really understand what the needs of young people are in specific countries, in specific contexts within the country. Because the kind of challenge young people are facing in Banjul is not necessarily the same in Basse. And then we build on 3 key pillars. Mentorship is one of them. They need someone to guide them, to support them, to show them the way. Training is the other pillar. We need to give them opportunity to be trained. It can be on soft skills or vocational trainings, but then they need to be given also opportunity to practice. Internship is one of them, giving them a chance to start the first employment in their life, even if they have to start their own business. So far, 49 countries are implementing the project.
SOS Children's Villages in the Gambia is a non-governmental, social and developmental organization that has been supporting children and young people without adequate parent care for over 40 years. The organization operates 2 SOS village communities in Bakote and Basse, where children and young people live in family-like homes with SOS caregivers. Reporting for Kirfatu, I am Fatu Silla.